Hi there, in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about parent page and how we can use them. When we created a new document in InDesign, you have access to the Pages panel. Inside the Pages panel, there are two parts. The parts on the top is for the parent pages, and the parts on the bottom is the actual pages. When you are going to design using InDesign, you have to place your images, your text, and all your design inside the bottom part, which is the actual pages. You can simply click on the bottom part and then create new pages, and then by double clicking on each of those, when it's blue, it shows that's selected, add the text and work on that. But what is the parent page? Okay, so by default inside the parent pages, we have two parts, which is none and a parent. And as you can see in the bottom part for the normal pages, there shows a letter A on all of those. That's the default. It means that whatever is applied to parent A will shown in the actual pages. When we need to use parent pages, it's normally used when you wanted to add a specific, maybe color, shape, it could be a line, or a same text for more than one pages. So for example, if I wanted to have a same background color for example, page 2 to 7, instead of apply it for same rectangle with the background color for each of those, I can simply add it for the A parent once, and just it automatically apply to the other, to the pages who this parent A is applied to them. So let's do an example. First, I need to double click on the parent A pages. As you see, it's exactly the same shape, and the size and everything is exactly the same as the actual pages. So we are in the parent page. You see when I scroll up and down, there it doesn't show any other pages. So in here, if I use, let me zoom out, if I use a rectangle shape and just draw a rectangle, and for example, for the background, if I wanted to have a background color, let's apply this green. Oh, what happened? Let's look here. In the actual pages, all the left side pages has the same color automatically. Let's double click on one of those. Okay, so as you see, it's blue. It means this page is selected, and there it is. So we have the same background color in there. If I scroll down, it applied to page 4 and page 6 as well. Let's go back to parent A, and in this time, double click on the right side page, and let's change the background color for the right side to another color, maybe blue one. Let me add some tint. Okay. Selection tool, and there it is. Okay, so as you see again, inside the actual pages, we have the blue color in all the right side pages. That's a good idea to use for maybe magazines or brochures that we wanted to apply same style for more than one pages. You can use it for using page numbers that I will talk about that in another tutorial. And also we can use it for shapes or background images, or maybe sometimes we wanted to add a logo to all the pages. And the good point for that, rather than you don't have to do the same things for all the pages, is when I double click on the actual pages, you see that I cannot edit this rectangle. I cannot move it. I cannot just resize it. It's not selectable. And the reason for that is the actual rectangle is not in these pages. That's in the parent page. And if I wanted to edit that, I need to edit the shape inside the parent page. So I can have access to the shapes inside the element actually inside the actual pages. But what if, for example, I wanted for one page in here, for example, for page 3, I just want to edit it. So in that case, you need to just hold Control and Shift or Command Shift for Mac computers, and then click once in the element, and that's it. So now I can select it and edit this single element for example, page 3. And you see still the other pages, page 1, 5, and 7 has the same format as parent A, but the page 3, because I hold Command Shift and click on that, I can edit it as I want it. So it's not anymore it's actual change to the actual element in this page. Let's talk about if I don't want to have uh, the green background, for example, for page 4. So I don't want it to apply parent A style to one of the pages. So in that case, you can simply use a non-parent. So we can just drag it and drop it on any page that you don't have wanted to apply based on the parent pages. So as you see, page 4 is not anymore, has not anymore have a green background. And the letter A is not appearing here as well. We can add more parent pages to have different styles. If I double click in the top side and you see a parent is selected, then by click on the create new page, a little plus, you see just automatically added 2 more pages and it's called as B parent. So let's me double click on B parent pages in here. If I wanted to add specific text, for example, title, let me change the size and maybe the color. Okay, then this is inside parent B, but none of my actual pages are applied based on the parent B. So we can simply drag the parent P to any of the pages that you wanted, and you see the page 4 is the parent B is applied on page 4, and if I double click on that, the text title will be shown on there. Again, I cannot select or to move or edit this element, but if I want it, I can hold Control Shift and click, and then it's editable. I think I talked about everything of parent pages in InDesign. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create page numbers using parent pages. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.